wanna go see? I see people on the pool. Wow, on the at least
I'm not tall enough to see through the window, are you?
yeah, it's open.
Okay, now we can compare the house. Let's go right
No. If something happened to you, who's going to rescue you? People always choose the road where there's no one. Sorry. That's how you get accidents, people. Well, some people, not Freddy though.
That could be a nice video if it's worked.
Was it a kite? No, was it a windsurfer?
Because a windsurfer would have masts filled with all the things around. This was just
tree that has become dangerous. No, it's a violary. Biggest challenge for all these places is how do they maintain
because they were showing a commercial of that in the Leonardo.
Yeah, where is it?
You can see it, Picasso.
Where? Ah, yeah, that's the ocean breeze. see breakfast. They have paellas for 2 persons with wine. Next time, not tomorrow. Yes, or we just go around.
You can tell right away, no, from here.
Well, people are looking. I don't know what they are looking at. Come. I think the easiest way is to go around. Don't you think? The easiest way is to go around.
Is that way?
Yeah.
I was just planning to sit at the pool. So if we cannot sit here, where are we going to sit?
We can go to another bar. The Irish place, Joe. That way you're not trying to go to the room, no? What's in your mind?
I was going to lay down here on the sunbed all afternoon.
Shall we try Troya? Maybe? Gonna go to Troya. Laying down today, sunny, possible at Santiago the Third.
I'll sit there and have a drink. You want to have your beer?
We could. The day is not finished, so do we stay with our equipment?
Yeah, we can just sit here.
Sorry.
Where do you want to sit, Fletch?
I'm gonna sit here.
Where do you want to sit? Do you think it's not safe?
I mean, people are sitting.
Yeah, if you are away from the trees like that one.
Yes.
Maybe we can go at the back. You like at the back?
Unless you want to sit there.
Views here.
Next.
You decide, Freddie, please decide. You can decide.
I can't see. Here's fine.
Yes.
We can sit here.
Oh, yeah.
Here.